Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanya. Today I am bringing you a video on this fabulous look right here. This is a beautiful gold glitter eyeshadow look, and the star of the show is this here Stila glitter eyeshadow, and it is in the color called Karma Kitten. I absolutely love their shadows. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just stick around and watch this video. Also, please remember to subscribe and click on that little bell notification so that you're aware of any uploads that I upload on a weekly basis. And also, I'm going to switch up this lippy in the video, and I have a surprise high bun kind of tutorial with this ponytail, and I wear it down. So not gonna spoil the video, just stick around and watch. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by using this MAC strobe cream, and I'm just moisturizing my skin, and I'm also adding, it gives me a little illumination to go underneath my foundation to give me a glowy, dewy look. Next, I'm taking this Too Faced lip injector to plump my lips. I am looking for a plumpy lip with this look. This is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This foundation is good for oily skin, and the color I'm using is Tahoe. I am blending it in with a Real Techniques brush, foundation brush, and this foundation is absolutely beautiful. You can already see the dewiness of it. This is not like the sheer glow. That's why I added the strobe cream. Now I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight underneath my eyes. Down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and I already did my chin. Now I am looking for my Sigma Tapered Kabuki Brush F86, and this brush is good to blend out concealer, so I'm just blending out the product a little bit. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge. I love to use a sponge to blend out my concealer. It just seems like it just helps the concealer melt into the skin a lot better. Now I'm taking my foundation brush and kind of going around where I highlighted so everything just blends in, no harsh lines. I'm taking my translucent powder. It's the Peach Perfect by Too Faced. And I'm putting a towel on and just putting some of that powder on my Real Techniques sponge and where it's setting, where I put the concealer at under my eyes, on my chin, forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going in with my favorite loose powder. It's the Maybelline Shine Free in the color medium. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the face and neck where I did not highlight and set. Next, I am taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. It is in the color Mahogany. This color is a couple of shades darker than me, so I have to blend this one in really good, but it is a beautiful bronzer. And I'm just taking that around the perimeter of my forehead, on my temples, and just continuously blending. Now I'm taking it under my chin area to disguise that double chin. This is a Sephora brush that I use to bronze with, so I am taking that and it's just helping blend things out a little better for me. And I'm jamming to my tunes in the background. Now I'm taking my powder brush and wiping away all the powder, the Maybelline Shine Free and the Too Faced translucent powder. And my favorite contour palette, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color Light to Medium. And I take that middle shade and I like to contour my nose. I'm using an e.l.f. contour blush. And I am contouring a little bit heavier on my nose. I want my nose to appear a lot more snatched in this video. And I'm just blending that out with the powder. Now I am taking my highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amarezy highlighter. It's super pigmented. Going down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. I am not using any type of spray when I highlight. I don't want it that intense, so I'm using a fan brush. And you can make this as intense as you want. I am going to blend everything out. I want it to be a little bit softer because I am going to be using glitter later. So I want the focus point to be on my eyes and not on the highlight. And I am looking like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer right now. The gold deer. Now I'm taking this Mario Badescu Rose Water. This is my favorite to just kind of take away some of that ash. And this is a nice little cute fan brush I found at my local beauty supply store. And just kind of helping that set. Now this is the Stila glitter eyeshadow that I already did off camera because my camera shut off. So I did one eye and put a lash on. I did not use any liner with this look. Now I am this is the Stila color Kitten Karma, and these are their glitter shadows, glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows. Absolutely beautiful. I am focusing most of the shadow in the center where I want it to pop the most, and then just finishing up on the inner corner and outer corner, taking that underneath. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going in with my Milani Violet Bolt and my lip pencil by MAC in Vino, and I am lining my lips, and I am going to do kind of an ombre effect with this lip color. I do apologize for the first half of this was cut off, but as you can see, I'm going in kind of thick, and I am filling in the outer corners and leaving just a little bit in the center open. And now I am going to take this lipstick and put it all over my lips. This is my absolute favorite purple lipstick that I own. I get so many compliments. This is my Riri blush, the Rihanna collection. It is called Bad Girl, my favorite blush. I am not a huge blush person. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter spray that I'm setting with and fanning that in. And this completes this look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. And I am going to change up the lip color. Okay, and here is this color in red. And this is a Wet n Wild Cat Suit Liquid Lipstick Matte. And the color is, oh my goodness, Missy and Miss Fearsome. Missy and Fierce. So I just wanted to show you where you could switch this look up. This is more classic pinup to me. Both of them are beautiful. I love them both. And I also love these Wet n Wild lipsticks, and I am going to be doing a video on them, swatching them and also showing you what they look like on. Also, I will be doing an updated lipstick on my MAC collection. I can't wait to do that video as well. So remember to subscribe so that you can catch all these videos that I will be uploading very soon. And again, stay blessed. See you in the next video. Hey guys, also I wanted to mention this ponytail that I'm wearing. During the video I had it pinned up in a high bun, so I just wanted to take the bun down and just show you how it looked without the bun, and then we can do a messy bun look.